sections they have put is 67B of Information Technology Act, 342, 376, 4 of POCSO, 107 of IPC, and 328 and 506 of IPC.
हे केशींतली 6 आरोपी ताळगावचे रोजी फेर्रावान गुन्यांवाक हातभार लायलो म्हूण तिचेरूय आरोप थारायल्यात.
2 sections 506 and 328 that the other accused has been roped, that is for threatening and abating the offence.
फिर्यादी चली अल्पवयीन न्ही म्हूण बाबुशाचो दावो. तिचो जल्म दाखलो बाबुशान मागला. ताच्या अर्जाचेर 10 ऑक्टोबराक सुनावणी दवरल्या.
We have filed 2 applications to produce a birth certificate. Reply will be filed on the next date by the learned PP and will argue the matter.
बाबुश आणि रोजी दोगांनी ती निर्दोष म्हूण दावो केला. कोर्ट 17 ऑक्टोबरा सावन आरोपांचेर ट्रायल सुरू करतलो. कोर्टान दर ब्रेस्तारा सुनावणी घेवपाचें थारायलां.
The charge was framed against both the accused, Babush and Rosie, and they have pleaded not guilty to the charges. Matter is fixed every Thursday. Thereafter, on the next Thursday, victim girl will be examined.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार वांगडा व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट शिरीष कुंकळेकार.